Started out in Brooklyn back in '96, when the Nets were still in Jersey, but we loved the Knicks. I didn't grow up in a family that hugged and kissed, but don't say they ain't love their kids. We ain't some Republicans, and all I wanted was a pool in my backyard. They say we couldn't have fun, didn't have jobs. They say we couldn't pay rent, couldn't slack off, couldn't pack up and take the vacation out in Nassau. Got a private education with a future Goldman Sachs cast. Even tried to duck the bill collector on some Aflac. They got rich dads named Garfield, that's fat cats, that's fat cats. Sammy, Frank, and Dean, I got my rap pack, so don't worry about my accent. You live your life in past tense. You know some girls, y'all just friends. I know some girls, we have sex. And we all know girls that do drugs, and we all know girls that just won't. But I know they waiting for me when I come home. I don't wanna be a legend, no, I just wanna get to heaven. Oh, I just wanna do me right now. Wanna do me right now. I don't wanna be a killer, no, I just wanna keep it realer. Oh, I just wanna do me right now. Wanna do me right now. Let me be me. They tell me make it out my home before it's too late. Love my mom and dad, but I don't want him as a roommate. Got a kitchen full of food and liquor like I'm Lupe. But y'all fake as fuck like toupee, so I see the world in Blu-ray.